Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where critics say I'm just microwaving my money. Well, they're right. For this episode anyway, I'm microwaving $2.09 to be exact, in pocket change. Okay, let's give that about a minute. Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. And before anyone raises a stink about it, I obviously didn't damage the money. And whoa, it's hot. I have to say, even though it did no damage, microwaving money is really not the wisest idea, because it'll potentially ruin it and you're literally burning money away and potentially leave char marks on the money in the microwave and that famous burnt ramen smell from metal.